Hauling lumber, bikes, or kayaks in your Tundra and running out of bed space every single time? That's a problem a bed extender solves in minutes. More usable length, better cargo control, zero wasted space. We broke down the 4 best options out there so you can stop guessing and start hauling smarter. All links are down in the description. Kicking things off at number 4, the Trumgeta is the most versatile option on this list. Adjustable from 54 to 61 inches wide, it flips outward for extra length or inward as a cargo divider. Your call. The mole side panels let you mount bags, straps, and recovery gear directly to the extender. Aluminum alloy build with powder coating handles whatever the road throws at it. Drill required install, but video guidance makes it a one-person job. Number 3. The VEVOR brings serious bang for the buck with an adjustable length range of 55 to 68 inches. The full flip design adds 21 inches of loading space when extended. Perfect for ladders, kayaks, and UTVs. Built from industrial-grade aluminum alloy with anti-rust powder coating, it's tough and lightweight. Drilling required, but templates are included. Fits the Tundra, plus a wide range of other trucks. Solid universal option. At number 2, the AMP Research, the premium pick, and it's built different. Made in the USA from heavy-duty aluminum alloy with reinforced composite uprights, this thing is intentionally overbuilt. Flip it out for up to 2 feet of extra cargo space. Flip it in to keep smaller gear contained with the tailgate closed. Available in matte black or silver powder coat. Backed by a 3-year warranty. That's confidence right there. Taking the top spot, the SZYANG is the only Tundra-specific extender on this list. Custom fit for current generation models. Aerospace-grade aluminum alloy construction with a corrosion-resistant finish means it's built to last season after season. The integrated grid pattern lets you mount toolboxes and recovery gear directly. Bonus: remove the mounting bolts and it converts into a camping table. Full use of your factory tailgate features stays intact. 4 extenders, 1 goal. Stop leaving cargo potential on the table. Whether you need a budget-friendly universal fit or a Tundra-specific solution that doubles as a camp table, this list has you covered. Every link is right there in the description waiting for you. Found your pick? Drop it in the comments and hit that subscribe button. We keep the truck content coming.